Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2015 Harley Davidson Road Glide Special. This is a beautiful bike, vivid black, chrome. I like the way that the new Road Glides look with the front of the fairing there. Really looks sharp. It's got the LED Daymaker headlights through the fairing vent. Upgraded sound system, large touch screen, full instrumentation. It's a sweet ride. Electronic cruise control. This bike has got, let's see, we'll get there in a minute, 3,645 miles. Comes with anti-lock brakes. Had an X pipe added to it. It's got the 103 motor, the 6-speed. That X pipe is an excellent performance pipe by Vance & Hines. And then they put a set of Reinhardt Racing mufflers on it, so it's got a real nice sound to it. Got an excellent tire on the back. Docking hardware here for your backrest and detachable tour pack. Got these bag lid covers by T-Bags. Single-handed bag lid latches. This one's got a little race tuner in it. Very nice. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. Or go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. We ran this bike through our shop and checked it out. It qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. Give us a call toll free at 888-400-1151. Check us out online at cleanharleys.com. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.